friends, today I'm going to share 3 easy ways of making oats idli in idli cooker and instant pot. It's very handy to pair with oats when idli batter is less or loose. It's an awesome healthy and tasty option as well. Absolutely, these are super easy ways to include oats in your diet. The best part is idlis will be fluffy, soft and tasty as oats don't alter idli taste. Once you get used to oats idli, you won't make plain idli anymore. So first thing, don't use steel cut oats for this recipe as it needs more time to cook, doesn't match with idli time. Here is the first way with oats. You can use any of these oats, rolled oats, quick oats or instant oats. All these oats have similar nutrition. If you notice, rolled oats are less processed and hence thicker. Quick oats are moderately processed, so will be thinner. Instant oats are more processed, thus very thinner. Take around 2 cups of idli batter in a bowl. Add 1 cup oats. These are rolled oats. I used idli batter versus oats ratio as 2:1. You can add little less oats to start with. Add 3-4 cup of water in batches. Mix everything well. Generally, I don't measure quantity exactly. Gave these measures to give you idea about consistency. So no need to worry if you add more water. Just add little more oats or idli batter. Keep the same consistency as that of idli batter. Add batter in idli molds. Shake a bit to level up evenly. Similarly, you can use same measurements for quick oats and instant oats. Add 1 cup of quick oats for 2 cups of idli batter with 3-4 cup of water. As you see, this is so easy way to mix oats and water to idli batter as needed. These oats will be little thinner and smaller. Comes out fluffy, soft and tastes same like plain idli. This way you will see oats in idli. If you want finer texture, then try second way with oats flour. Take around 2 cups of idli batter in a bowl. Add 3-4 cup of oats flour from rolled, quick or instant oats. Check my video how to make oats flour for full details. Now add 3/4 cup of water. Oats flour needs little extra water compared to oats. Always add water in batches. If it gets more watery, adjust with little more oats flour or idli batter. Mix well to idli batter consistency. As you see, oats flour blends so well with idli batter. So idlis look like regular idlis by texture. Here is the third way with mix and match. Oats and oats flour combo. Add half a cup oats and quarter cup oats flour for 2 cups of idli batter. Or you can add less oats and more oats flour. And add 3/4 cup water. Add water in batches to get perfect consistency. Mix well. Batter is ready for molds. It's time for steaming idlis now. First let's see in idli cooker. Add 1½ cup water in idli cooker. To save time, keep boiling on stove like preheating. Meanwhile, you can prepare the batter with oats or oats flour. Keep idli plate stand in cooker. Cook on high flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes before opening the lid. If you are using instant pot for steaming, add 1 cup water in inner pot. Place the idli stand with idli plates. Close the lid to sealing. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes. Or you can use steam mode for 10 minutes. Wait for natural release. As you see, oats idlis will be cooked perfect, fluffy and soft. Take out the idlis from idli plates with sharp wide spoon and serve hot. You can try any of these 3 ways for amazing taste with slight texture difference. Looks same like regular idlis, it's really hard to notice a difference. Hope you enjoy these healthy and tasty oats idlis with your family. See you again with many more awesome healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.